Today we'd like to introduce you to Blizzard. Blizzard is a 8-month-old guinea pig who was an owner surrender. His family loved him very, very much, but unfortunately they weren't able to care for him any longer. So Blizzard is now into our program. He's very, very sweet, very chatty. He loves his treats. Oh, Blizzard, you love your treats, don't you? As you can see, he's very friendly. He loves to munch on his treats. Hello, Stinker. That's not a carrot. Blizzard is looking for his forever home. So please message us at littleegsrescue@yahoo.com if you are interested in adopting this little baby. Bye, Blizzard.